Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the glass shelf in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open out the package, you're going to get a new glass shelf. This glass shelf is located at the bottom of the fresh food section. It covers the crisper pans. The main reason to replace the glass shelf is if it's cracked or broken and won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. Now we need to remove both crisper pans. Pull it straight out, lift up, and take out. Same thing, pull straight out, lift up, and take out. Now I'm going to remove this crisper pan cover by lifting it slightly and sliding it out, support it at the back. Alright, I'm going to bring this frame to the table, set it down, and now we're going to slide out the glass. We need to bend this side of the shelf of the frame. It's flexible. Just don't get carried away and pull the glass out. All right, take care of those side little posts here. You need to squeeze the glass in between, and now I'm going to slide it out. This is the old glass shelf next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so this is our new glass shelf. We're going to mount it inside this frame. The white paint should be facing this way. So when it's laying flat, we're putting it this way. And now we're going to slide it into this frame and under this tab here. Push it more, and then I'm going to lift it up. And just let it slide. It will get locked behind these tabs here on the top. If it's not, that means it's not all the way in. And that's how it's going to look from the top. Now I can install it into the fridge. I'm going to slide it. And place it down. I'm going to install the crisper pan. First look in the left one. And now the right side. And now when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.